Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we will show you how to use a universal stacking kit. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. Buy Spares can supply kits for stacking appliances for many manufacturers. When connecting two appliances of the same manufacturer, there may be dedicated parts that will lock the two appliances together. In many cases, customers will have appliances of different makes, and we may not be able to confirm if they can be stacked. To identify if a universal kit can help you, examine the top of the lower appliance. If it has rounded edges, then the kit frame will not be supported correctly and will not be suitable. If the lid has square edges, then these kits can be used on these edges. As long as the appliances are 600mm wide, they should be able to stack. The brackets provide a lip to prevent the dryer moving. So it is important to check this lip does not foul doors or has flaps that need to open, as this will usually extend 10 to 20mm above and below the joined area. When the bracket is fitted onto the lower machine, remove any feet or wheels from the top appliance and lower carefully onto the bracket. You can add extra security by using a ratchet strap to fix the two appliances to prevent any chance of the top machine falling. Finally, reconnect and run a test cycle on the machines. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.